Guys, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today's video is sponsored by a company called Youth Beauty. This is the garment bag that came with their hair, and I was super obsessed with it. That's why I wanted to show it in my intro and not do my basic intro as always. And in the packaging came a wig cap, some combs, an elastic band, and of course the garment bag, which is super fly. I think this is so cute. I love the colors. I like the packaging. It's see-through and it's really cute to carry your bundles. So inside of this package, they did send me a 99J short curly wig. I'm gonna put the details down in the description box only because I cannot remember exactly the length and I don't want to lie to you guys. But this unit is super pretty. I love this color red, and it actually looks similar to the red unit I did recently, which I'm definitely feeling. So on the hair, it has a net. It has like the paper and wrap on the inside to keep the hair protected, and a Youth Beauty tag. And this is how the hair looks fresh out of the packaging. I have not altered it at all. It's your standard lace, really nice, very thin, and it actually blends with my complexion very nicely. And it also has the 3 combs in the middle, front and sides, and the comb in the back. I'm just popping this unit on my mannequin head, and this is how the hair comes already. The hairline is not customized. This is how it came. It is pre-customized slightly, but just about a 1/4 inch in the front. So I'm gonna go in with my tweezers and a water bottle and just saturate the hair and make sure to start plucking the hairline the way that I want. So just giving you guys a close-up. This is the before I customize it or pluck it or put any tint on the lace or foundation, if I can talk. And this is how she looks. She doesn't look terrible. She is wearable. You could throw her on, but I just prefer to have my hairline plucked a little bit more, just because I feel like the hairline is like the first giveaway, and the baby hair is always the first giveaway to let people know that you're wearing a wig. So we're going to try to make this unit look less wiggy. So again, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle, and now I'm just saturating the hair. And I just wanted to compare this red to the red that I did previously, and this was spot on. So I don't know if they watched my previous video and just sent this to me, or if this was just a random, or maybe it just happened to be the same exact color, but I was really feeling this red. I actually just wore a unit this color red a few days ago, so yeah, I was really feeling this. So now I'm just parting out that part that's already pre-customized in the front, and I'm going to go in and start plucking behind the hairline. I'm going to speed this up, but overall, whenever I do pluck units, frontals or whatever it may be, it takes me probably 15 minutes or less, and a lot of times it takes less than this. So in real time, this took me about 8 minutes to do both sides, and you'll be able to see the difference as soon as I get done. I'll do a side-by-side comparison of how the pre-pluck side looks versus the non-pluck side. And if you guys want to see a more detailed video of how I pluck my frontals and my wigs, just let me know down below. I know this looks super difficult to some people, but to me it's second nature because I do this all the time. So here you have this side that's already customized versus the side that's not. And as you can see, the right side looks way better than the left already. So now I'm just going in and going to do the same exact steps on the left side. I know this might give people a heart attack, but I did pluck hella hair out of the hairline just to make it look as natural as possible. So yeah, now I'm getting ready to pop her on, and we're going to see how she looks. I'm in here looking like the seat of Chucky with this damn wig. Wig video number 2 coming right up, sir. So as you can see, I already have the ball cap method already done. So this is my second wig I'm going to be popping on today, which is why I have the same exact outfit as I just did, and my edges look a little crispy because I just took the last wig off. She was glueless, she was removable, she was cute. I'm not even about to do no spray for this because I don't even think I'm gonna like this wig, to be completely honest with you. I don't ever do short wigs. My hair already short. I feel like, what's the point of wearing a short wig if you already bald headed? I don't want my wig to be bald headed either. I want my wig to be long and luxurious. But you know, for like an older client or somebody that just doesn't like long hair, this would be ideal. For me, I like them inches. I like them ratchet inches. All right, so we're gonna pop her on and see what she's about to do here. You have to call this the Bob the Builder unit. All right, she's not giving too many problems over here. I'm going to clip this joint up, and I'm going to clip the other side, yeah. And now I'm about to cut this lace. We're not even gonna glue her down. We're just gonna try her on. So here I'm just cutting the lace with my standard kitchen scissors because I could not find my regular scissors. This was the day after Christmas, as I said in my last video, but in case you didn't catch that, I don't know where my scissors went. Like, we're missing scissors. So yeah, I'm just going in and customizing the hairline. And then I'm going to spray some Got To Be Glued spray on there just to tack down the sides. I do want this unit to be glueless, and I did put an elastic band on the inside so that way the wig is nice and secure and it stays in place.
Oh, this is what she... Yo, I'm cracking up. I really legit look like Chucky.
So now I'm just taking that same spray bottle. I'm just going to wet the unit down just to give the curls a nice little pattern. I'm not going to add any product to this because I want to see what they do on their own. And this is how it looks once I wet the hair down and I started to zhuzh her out, honey. And surprisingly, I really did love this wig, guys. I just wouldn't wear it every day just because, like I said, I like longer hair. But this wig was super cute once it was wet. I really did love the curl pattern and the texture.
Okay, so here we have a frontal wig. I did have to do a little bit of plucking for this, I'm not even gonna lie. The color is really cute. I actually like how this is cut. It's pretty accurate. It's a couple little random stragglers here and there, but nothing too major that's going to stand out. I think she's a cute little, you know, going out date night for the weekend, trying to switch it up, you know, trying to be... Let me see, I might have to fix this. Hold on, wait a minute. So this is the bob wig they sent me. Hold on, wait.
So I did notice it was slightly uneven, but maybe that's just the way I put it on, or I just have a weird shaped head. So I am going to go in and just cut this, and just to give it a little bit more precise shape, just because y'all know I like a crispy bob, honey. So now I'm starting to really feel her, and she is coming together. She's giving me life, and here we have it. And I'm sorry, I love a good side part, but I did want to go ahead and put a middle part in here just to show you guys how it looks once you do that. Overall, this unit was super cute. You can part it anywhere from, I'll say, like ear to ear, but you just have to be careful because some of the tracks in the back do start kind of high up, so you just have to be mindful of where you part this unit. But she's like a cute get up and go type of bob. She's not supposed to be super deep parted or parted all the way back. So this is a cute get ready with me type of wig, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm getting ready to flex for the gram and take a couple more pictures, and I will see you guys in the next video. DM me down below or Instagram me, email me if you want to do some business. And yeah, thank you guys for supporting me and for watching me, and like always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, everyone. We getting ready for the new year, honey. 2020 coming soon.